Hey, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how you can pick a font from an image or a design. Okay, so let's say for example that you're scrolling through maybe Podly or some bestseller design, okay, or it can be on other websites like Pinterest or any website actually, and you find a cool design or you find a cool image and you basically want to pick the font. Okay, you want to know the font so that you can use it as well. Well, there's a great tool that is called What the Font, and basically what you do is pretty simple. You simply take, for example, I'm going to take this image here with some text and I want the same font. So basically I'm simply going to copy the image and I'm going to paste it into the software, the website, and you can simply identify, and then you simply select the font that you want from the image. So in this case I'm going to select the word sorry in order to extract the font. Okay, and then I'm going to simply click identify the font, and then from this selection the website is going to give you a bunch of fonts that are very similar. It might not be exactly the same font, but they're going to give you a bunch of fonts that are very similar to the font that you gave. So let's say for example that I choose this font Submariner Heavy, which is the name of the font. I can simply click on it and then I can copy the name of the font, or I can purchase this font right here, and then I can go on Google and simply search for the font. I'm gonna call it free font, and then I'm able to get the font from either this website, or I can look on other websites where I can get it. So just a reminder that if you're planning to use the fonts for commercial use and for designs, you should make sure that you actually have the rights for commercial use, okay? And so I hope that this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you have any question, okay? Peace.